Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I style this glueless frontal. I've already wigged this hair. I wigged it a glueless frontal, so I want to style this hair. So I noticed that the closure net is still looking very fake, like it's still whitish, so I had to give it a little touch. I didn't want to bleach this hair, I didn't want to tint the net, so I had to do it yourself method. So I had to use a foundation and powder. Please, whenever you're using foundation and powder, make sure you use the foundation of the skin color, foundation that rhyme with the skin color of your cleanse. So this is after I must have applied it generously on the frontal area. So I want to style this hair. As you can see, this is the before look of this hair. So I started by combing it back. I had to comb the front because I want to start styling this hair from the front. So I had to, get my products which I'll be using for the styling. I started by, the client said she wanted a C-cut style pattern in the front, so I had to start the creation. So I used my tail comb, as you can see. And whenever you want to style any hair a C-cut, it's not difficult, because some of my students, they were like, how can they achieve that? It's just like writing a letter C, or let me say, yes, writing a letter C. So when you want to style it on a hair, you just use that same pattern. Okay, you just assume that you are drawing a letter C. So that is just how to do it. So here I've already started the creation of the C-cut pattern. So keep watching this video. I'll be chipping in one or two things when there is need for me to do that. I went on to use my candle wax to apply on the area I've already marked out for the C-cut. I applied the candle wax so that it can help to flatten that area. After applying my candle wax, I also applied my heat protectant spray, and I had to use my to comb that area, down. So I kept doing that. Okay, so here I had to apply my hair mousse, because hair mousse is everything you need. Like, without hair mousse, you can't actually get that perfect style you want, right? Hair mousse, you can put as much as you can. It helps that area to lay flat. Don't forget that. So I had to put my hair mousse. Remember I told you I've already used my heat protectant on this hair, so I had to go ahead to comb that area. So I kept doing this, kept adjusting the style, because when you style that C-cut, when you style it at first, you will notice that there are some places that needs a little touch. Okay, you go ahead to keep adjusting it until you notice that you've actually gotten what you want, right? So keep watching this video. At the end of this video, you will see the outcome of this C-cut style. pattern is looking. Can you see how it's looking? It's already looking like what it's supposed to be, but here I still notice that there are still, some touches to do on this hair, so I had to start adjusting it again. As you can see, I had to reapply my hair nails. I had to still use my tail comb to pat the line again. So at the end of the day, when I was done with the front area, I went ahead to apply my extra hold spray on this hair. I applied my extra hold spray on the hair and I combed through. And please, if you know that your customer won't be needing the hair immediately, you can go ahead to use your band and secure that front that you styled, so you're ready to deliver it. Okay, so after that I had to style the entire hair by using my curly hair serums, and this is the outcome of this hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more of this video. See you in the next video.